between Manny Pacquiao and Lourdes. So we really thank them for having us today. We also thank very much our chairman. Thank you for gracing and honoring us with today's event that you are here and tomorrow. So we wish everybody to enjoy tomorrow. Please be present. Thank you very much, and we pray to God for good weather. We pray that everybody would just enjoy and no emergencies or no harm that would be done. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mary Faith. Very nice words. And now let's hear from Johnny Elorde.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Okada. Thank you.
It's short and sweet. Always the best. Yes. And now Liza Elorde.
Thank you very much, Ted, as always, for coming over. Once again, I'd like to say magandang umaga po sa lahat ng nandito. Of course, ang ating mga fighters, ang ating managers, the trainers, and officials of the Games and Amusements Board, headed by, of course, our GOV chairman here, Attorney Francisco Rivera. Ang partner namin, Blow by Blow CEO Marifer Rivera. Ang mga boksingero na mamaya parang nagpabawas pa, hindi naman, tama lang. Kumakain. Okay, and my spouse John here. Once again, I would like to welcome you to this very, very beautiful event that will unfold tomorrow. It's the second Pacquiao Elorde Boxing Awards. It's actually the Banquet of Champions. Napakaganda ho nito. In fact, you've just seen the weigh-in today, and you'll be expecting a blockbuster event of bugbugan. Talagang pero maganda hong klaseng boxing tomorrow. It's a world-class event that we're doing right here at the Okada Manila, and we'd like to thank, of course, Okada Manila, and partnering with the Honorable former Senator Manny Pacquiao. It's just really fantastic po. Kasi last year, as what was mentioned by our CEO here, si Marife Parera po, sinabi niya na last year we talked to the good Senator Manny, and sinabi namin, why not, have a collaboration between the Elorde and the Pacquiao, because as you know, the Banquet of Champions has been here for the past more than 20 years. We started this with the year 2000. Buhay pa po sila mami noon, and Ted Lerner was always there. And a lot of boxers are former world champions here, Navarrete and Barrientos, and a lot more former world champions will be coming tomorrow, but napakaganda ho nito. So we'd like to invite everyone, please do tell, your neighbors, the boxing fans, to please troop to the Okada Manila tomorrow, because we're having, as I've said, 8 bouts, which will start at 1 o'clock, and then to be followed at 6:30. I hope we finish by 6:30 for the Parade of Champions. You will see all the champions parading with their belts, and then after that, the dinner and the much-awaited awards night. Let me just, mention that napag-usapan mo namin nila Senator Manny that we're not just giving recognition to our boxers, to those who are involved in the development of sports, in the boxing sports in the Philippines, but we are also honoring another sport. Just like last year, nag-honor tayo ng mga, sila FN Bata was here, sila Eugene Torre, and a lot more. This time po, abangan nyo, nag-confirm na po siya. Our 2-time gold medalist in artistic gymnastics, Carlos Yulo po, is arriving tomorrow. So, abangan niyo po. And he's so excited because among the boxing aficionados and everything, the environment there, baka daw masuntok siya. Sabi namin, di ba, tatalon ka lang ng tatalon. Okay, we're so happy to have all of you here. Our guest speaker is, aside of course, from Senator Manny Pacquiao, who will be doing the inspirational message to all of you. We have the former DILG Secretary Attorney Benhar Abalos, who will be with us, and a lot more very, very special guests, both from the Philippine Sports Commission and the Philippine Olympic Committee. So we have about 70 plus awardees, at dito mo yung iba. We'd like to congratulate you. In fact, AJ Pasiones, who is a promising boxer, is here. And we have other awardees bukas na lang po ninyo malalaman. Exciting po yan. So we are also, Chairman Marifer, we are also honoring those who passed away last year. We're giving them a posthumous award. and they have contributed to, to the sport of boxing, and it's time that we give it back to them. So the best manager will be there, the best trainer, and everything. So talagang blockbuster. Sorry po, napakahaba ko nung sinabi ko. Thank you very, very much po.
Thank you, Lisa. No, it's that good. You really described it well, and it's always great too. All the great champions from the past who go out of the way to come to the event, and that really makes it that much extra special. We only managed to get one boxer. Where are the rest of the boxers from our main event?
Kumakain sila.
Cuarto and Magramo. How about our WBC International Light Flyweight Championship? Where are they?
Ted, of course, we'd like to thank the GOB. Si chairman here will be the supervisor tomorrow, and he'll be assisted by me from the WBC Ratings Committee. And as always, as I've said, maganda yung main event natin.
We've met.
Nangyari, bukas na lang malalaman.
Pero pareho kasi kayong may technical, may skills, maganda yung mga footwork nyo, yung basics nyo. Do we see na parang boxing style na mangyayari, or kasi si Nolly James pumapayag din niya ng bakbakan But how do you see the fight? Mas gusto mo pa na talunin siya ng boxing skills, decision, or are you going for a knockout kasi gusto mo makasigurado this time?
Malalaman na lang kung bukas yan. Hirap po magsalita kasi
Okay.
mag-iiba rin naman sa laban niya.
Okay. Siguro, I wanna ask Ma'am Marife. Ma'am Marife, CEO of Blow by Blow, how do you continue? And it seems like every time I fight ng Blow by Blow, laging may undefeated versus undefeated. Tapos yung mga magkakalaban, parang sila yung mga promotions boxers, pero napaglalaban nyo. How do you do it na paglabanin yung mga prospect versus prospect, yung mga galing versus magaling at naglalaban talaga sila? Ano ba sikreto?
One, we're guided by two very important people, or not just people, we're guided by God, and we're guided by Senator Manny Pacquiao. Before we start with the bout, with all these bouts, the event, I'm showing to Senator Pacquiao the fight cards. And look, Senator, this is, for example, Makilan, and the opponent is the other person. Tinitingnan po niya yung box rec, actually. And you would say, oh, eto, ganun nyo. So we always get our guidance from Senator Pacquiao. Ang ginagawa ni Art Moniz, who is our matchmaker, isasubmit po niya yan at least 2 months or bago mag-fight, so I'll submit it to the senator. And we see to it, I always tell Art that the senator just wants to have the best fights. In all events, hindi naman po sa medyo nagmamalaki ako, but I think the Blow by Blow Promotions is one, if not the fairest of all the promotions, boxing promotions, if not in the Philippines or I can attest to that. Walang kinikilingan ng Blow by Blow. Kung maganda ang card, kung maganda ang boxing ang record, we do it. Kung tama yung hinihinging presyo, kung minsan nag-ano pa kami, because we really wanted to, yung pong iba kasi parang 5, 6 promotions. But we have around 15, not promotions bouts, I mean. Pero kami, we have 15. Dahil ang gusto po ni Senator Manny Pacquiao is to really discover good boxers, Filipino boxers, na ang pangarap din lamang ay maging Manny Pacquiao. So, binibigyan po lahat namin ng oportunidad ang ating po mga boxers. Sasabihin ko minsan ni Art, ay ma'am, may talo na ito. Hindi natin pwede ito isama kasi magalit. Sabi ko, sa blow by blow, please bear this in mind. Although, maybe one of you would lose the fight, blow by blow always gives a second chance. Hindi po lahat ng talo, wala ng chance. Kasi kung minsan yung talo, it's just a push that you really wanted to be better the next time. So sabi ko, Art, kahit may talo yan, give the person a second chance. Because we always believe in the Filipino boxers And sabi po ni Manny Pacquiao, basta Pilipino, lahat ng boksingero, lahat ay magiging kampiyon sa ilalim ng Manny Pacquiao Promotions. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Marife. I agree with you with regards to the Ferris. Talagang makbakan talaga. We don't know who's gonna win. Kung isang follow-up lang kay Ma'am Marife, does Manny Pacquiao have ever said anything about his dream matchup for Philippines? May nababanggit na ba siyang dream matchup? Gusto kong paglabanin to.
Okay, I don't want to preempt, but Tita Lisa knows this, and Lourdes knows this, and Sean Gibbons knows this. We're cooking up something very, very big in October, but it's not really for me to divulge it to. But you just wait, because we have the blow-by-blow of Manny Pacquiao as something very, very big coming, huge in October, and we are also in collaboration with the Lourdes when it comes that October. So, snip lang, it's a big one.
Alright, I feel it's the Trilla in Manila event.
You said
Well,
it right.
yeah, of course.
50th anniversary.
Correct. Yes, yes.
Manila. So, perfect.
Anyone else?
That would be ilang championships, world championships. So
Ayan
we're
na.
we're really looking for the Filipino boxers na makasama dito. Thank you.
Okay, well, that's good. You teased that very well. Now everyone's going to be salivating to find out what the fights are in October. 50th anniversary of the Thrill in Manila. Fantastic. Okay, is that it or any other question?
To Ma'am Lisa, I need to ask Ma'am Lisa. Of course, Pacquiao and Elorde has partnered. This is the second time in a row. While Blow by Blow has continued to promote competitive fights, Elorde Awards has continued to celebrate the achievement of boxers. This year, are there anything brand new with regards to the Pacquiao Elorde Awards? And how do you see, because you've been doing this for a long time, and you've been awarding everyone, what sort of plan, meron bang ibang paparating na bagong plano para sa Pacquiao Elorde Awards?
Okay, right now, this is the second edition of the Pacquiao Elorde Awards. And as you've said, we've done the Banquet of Champions for the past, since 2000, 2023 kami, the trilogy, and then ito nga yung partnership, which we have started last year. You know, actually, we are awarding the boxers who made it good in the year that passed. So yung mga nag-champion during 2024 are the ones being awarded. And then we also give honor to, there's a votation for who's gonna be the best manager, the best trainer, and everything. So, pinagbobotohan yan eh. Kasi maraming manager, trainer, and everything. So we do that. There's a certain committee who comes up with sino ba ang pwede natin bigyan. And then the promising boxers also. Of course, this is also in consultation with Senator Manny Pacquiao. So it's really exciting because in the past when we were having the Elorde Awards night lang, we were inviting the opponent of Daddy, of Flash Elorde. So sila Harold Gomes. But this time, we cannot invite them anymore because as you know, syempre matatanda na yung dating kalaban ni Flash Elorde. So, if you're asking about what's cooking up in the next edition of this awards night, we have talked to Manny and we're saying that we will be inviting naman one by one or two, siguro 2 by 2, yung mga nakalaban ni Manny Pacquiao. So, they will be special guests in the this one in the awards night every year. So we will be starting next year. Who knows, you might be able to see Mark Antonio Barrera, and the rest. Diba? That's so exciting. So watch out for that kasi every time we're cooking out with something new. Like ngayon, si Carlos Yulo is the one that is being invited. And who knows, hindi niya alam kung sino naman next year. So it's just that we are supporting not only our Filipino boxers, but we are also supporting other sports, lalo na if they are excelling in a certain kind of sport. And we can't do this alone. Of course, the Pacquiao and the Elorde family cannot do this. But we'd like to thank, of course, Okada Manila, who has been with us for the past years, helping us out. You know, it's also in collaboration with them, like having this one, the Cove Manila, and the Grand Ballroom. So thank you, Okada Manila, and the rest of those who have been helping us. And of course, the Games and Amusement Sport. kay Chairman Attorney Rivera. And Globe.
Sorry, Ted, I don't mean to get up. One more question about Lisa. I wouldn't let you get away with this because I'm curious. You said Carlos Yulo, you're going to mention, are you going to award Olympic athletes? Is it possible, you think, because boxing is a combat sport, would you consider maybe awarding MMA fighters, Muay Thai fighters, and any other combat sports as part of the Pacquiao Elorde Awards since you're awarding other athletes as well?
Yeah, thank you so much, Pao. We have thought about that. In fact, ihahabol sana namin during this year because there's a world champion in MMA, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and Mig was, some of my sons were saying, maisama natin. But I said, hindi naman huli if we award them next year. So we are also thinking about the combat sports. Don't worry about that. They are also in our agenda.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it. Okay, I think that. If you have something more to say?
Well, as a concluding comment, we thank everyone, the Elordes and MP Promotions, and those who are all here. The event would not be a success without all of you. So again, thank you very much, and we look forward to a big event tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
On behalf of Senator Pacquiao, kayo po ay iniimbitahan namin na manood ng isang bakbakan talaga namang lahat ay makikinig at magiging exciting. Tomorrow, blow by blow with Pacquiao Elorde awarding night. So please join us, cheer our Filipino boxers. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Once again, we'd like to thank everyone for coming over and supporting our Filipino boxers, not only the boxers, but other sports, as we have mentioned. We're inviting you to please, this is an exciting event tomorrow. This is the second Pacquiao Elorde Awards Night, Market of Champions, plus the blow-by-blow event with the championship matches there. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, ang ating pong mga boksingero ay naghanda po lahat. And thank you very much once again to Okada Manila. And maraming salamat po sa inyo. Just a few reminders that for the boxers who are here, please get your IDs and your wristbands. I mean, the wristbands and the IDs, you could get it outside from our staff. And then for the awardees, your table numbers will be given tomorrow. So there's a table for the awardees and your mga guests nyo, isn't it? So you just have to go there, get your lei, and then your dinner stop and the wristbands also. Now, for those who would like to watch boxing, as always naman, ang blow-by-blow is libre po. But, of course, we're doing it in a hotel. Although it's free, meron din tayong konting security. So, if you wanna invite friends, please do tell them that you are a guest of like this and they have to register. And then, if we still have the entrance ticket, then we give them because this is just limited entrance that we are giving for the crowd. But as much as possible, we'd like to, accommodate each and everyone kung maaga po sila. But as I've said, there are limited free tickets that are being given away. Kung swerte po, makakapunta po kayo tomorrow. Okay, thank you very, very much po sa inyo lahat. God bless us all.
Thank you, Lisa. Once again, it's the second Pacquiao Elorde Awards Night and blow by blow. The fights start at 1 p.m. afternoon boxing. And after the 8 bouts, we will commence with the Pacquiao Elorde Awards Night. Always a great time, so we'll see you here at the Okada Manila. And of course, I can feel the eyes of all the boxers who have been starving themselves to make weight. They're saying, let's conclude this so we can get to the lunch over there. So thank you very much. Lunch is served.